You see this? This is no Larry zone.
Welcome to the Goodwill outlet. Everything here is priced by its weight, $1.99 per pound. They rotate the belts every hour with new things to look through. Who knows, you might just find me.
Ooh. No. This is looking good. It's looking real good. I've never been sarcastic a day in my life, Larry. Never have. I'm a pretty serious guy. Monster High. Zerging it. That go to? What are we looking at here?
Oh, sorry. A bracelet with a bunch of different cuts of pork on it.
It's got to be Japanese, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
That's OG.
Yeah.
Chuck E. Cheese's, where a kid can be a kid.
Wow. Look. There's the Culver's soccer ball. Oh man. You found money? I missed it. Who's this? Chucky. I'd love to find one of the old plush.
Oh, yeah.
Those things are cool. I'd keep it though. I would definitely keep it. Yeah. Man, there's a prostitute. That's what we want.
And I told me gave you that train that I gave you.
Yeah.
I wish I had looked it up. I didn't even think. I thought, oh,
Well,
yes.
I mean, I'll give you some of the money once the guy gets it. I was talking to him about it yesterday. He won't let me give him money.
No, I gave it to him. I gave it to you. It's fine. I mean, I can
It was like, I don't blame you because it was in really bad condition. I didn't think I'd be able to sell it.
Yeah.
And it still might come back. Like, the guy might get it and be like, this is awful.
Yeah, I'm just mad at myself because I just get so late.
I mean, you don't really like to sell stuff like that, though. You
To sell anything.
like I've seen your store before. You're very,
Yeah.
everything is very like clean and
Yes.
perfect.
Hardly any.
Yes. 3D. Is that Hulk? No, I don't know.
I found a bunch of 3D stuff in there yesterday. I got a couple of dragons and stuff. But
I grabbed the little fidget toys sometimes for the girls, but
my daughter's got a few of my phone.
there it is. I'll play with that.
Hold back the gold right there.
Damn it. Why you crouched down over here?
Just figured I'd wait here until they get this one done.
You see this? This is no Larry zone. They get it figured out?
Look,
What?
there ain't much on it.
Ah, that's all the good stuff.
They spread it around to make it look like this.
I think it looks pretty good. Do
Those
people?
are Star Wars right there.
Yeah, do people really want these though?
The whole set of them.
Ugh,
I think that is
those
Star Wars.
droids are cool.
I think that is the whole set almost. Of all-
There's like double. There's like 2 sets of them. I'll probably change my mind.
Here's one of the lightsabers.
Well, there's one. Ah!
Accessories always make things better.
Oh yeah. If I change my mind, you want them?
I'll hold on to them and think about it if you don't get them.
All right.
My bag.
Ooh, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Outlet bag. Michael Myers. Kind of cool.
I know.
Ugh. Yo.
Looks like it could be.
Oh my gosh, that's frightening.
It's chicken.
That's pretty cool. How good is that? Remember him?
Oh yeah, they got a show on.
Yep.
Still on. I don't know if it's repeats or what.
That's fun. I wish I could wear this. Saxaboom. Kenwood. Come on, Boba. Where's that Boba Fett antenna? We want it. We need it. Make sure it's not attached before I start looking for it. I don't think it is. What are you up to?
Take them off. I know that ain't worth shit, but these little thing.
Silver? Gold?
I don't even think they're that.
Mama find anything? Where'd you guys go? I thought you left.
We was out parking lot.
What were you doing out there? You guys are like a couple of young kids now that you're both free.
Daddy, chill.
My name is Jeff.
Is it in there? Even without the antenna, looks like it does fairly well. What you got in your bag, Larry? You got anything? Oh. Damn.
Yeah, Mama, we ain't got all day.
There you go. And there's the tiger. Adjustable.
You like those, don't you?
Yeah, I don't need them.
I thought your hands were looking a little bigger. Getting buff hands.
And where's Bryce? Where I could brag on it. Thank you. That means it fell out of something. There's the
Oh, it's probably from here.
It's okay.
What was that?
I'll glint. Float in front of the wall.
There's another one.
You want it?
Nope. How'd it go?
You know, today has been kind of
Yeah.
not terrible. Ran a couple errands, came back. Nice.
Mario.
Already scoring.
Burger King Mario. Vinegar. The old knife.
I like fried chicken.
They want me dead.
What? Nope.
What?
Compass. Moral compass.